Say hey, Nicole. Celebrating 10 years of friendship, y'all. We got some guac. We got us some mojitos. Uh-oh, Nicole wants y'all to see it all. We're at Rocco's Tacos.
We're here in downtown West Palm Beach.
We're getting lunch with the girls. We're gonna go over there.
First, but they're not open yet.
Yeah, they don't open until 4, so we're gonna bar hop or restaurant hop. We're gonna get appetizers here, and we're probably gonna eat lunch over here. Okay, Nicole, you ready?
What are we doing?
You're trying the oysters for the first time.
Why am I upside down? Is it just what it does?
Yeah, my camera's a little broken. They don't have regular hot sauce. They got a little season on it. You got the big one.
What?
That big one.
You see this one right here? That's mine right there. Oh, they're hot.
Yeah, I got them cooked. I got them roasted.
So how do I eat it? Yeah.
Okay, put some lemon on it. Ooh,
I don't really like something like that. It's hot.
You don't like lemon?
I'm gonna try it without the lemon first, and then
Okay. Well, I'm putting some lemon on mine.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, we got them steamed. Now, which one?
I just slurp it up.
Yeah. Slurp it up. Cheers. You ready?
So hot. I'm gonna watch you.
Oh, all I do is just make sure. I was gonna get my fork, but y'all are propped up on it. Okay. I just make sure that it's detached. It is. So all I gotta do is eat it. Yours is too? No. There you go. Perfect. You excited? That's a good. Thoughts? No? Yes?
They don't smell right.
What does it smell like? So what's about the taste? The
It
texture?
smells like how it tastes how it will smell.
So you don't like it? You gonna eat the big one?
I feel like I just ran through like sprinklers and the sprinklers that
Girl, no. Not the sprinklers, Nicole. So Nicole, you don't like it? It's a no. What's your rating?
maybe it needs some lemon.
I told you it needed some lemon. No, there's no more now. You gotta do that
It's
one.
a
now.
little piece.
Girl,
I'm not eating that big old thing.
do you want to eat this one? This one's smaller.
Look, you see right here? Look.
Those are the scraps of it.
The lemon makes it more fresh, yeah.
Yeah, as I told you.
Definitely have to eat it with the lemon, yeah.
It has a nice flavor to it though.
They seasoned it what they could do, but
It's a no for you, Nicole. You want to order it?
it is not for me. I'm not an oyster gal.
These are pretty good. I usually don't get oysters, but I can deal with these. It's a no?
Yes and no.
It's a no? Ooh. Oh, this one is big. So do you want me to eat yours or no?
Yeah, you need to eat mine.
Okay.
It's a no.
It's a no for you, Nicole? Ugh. Here it is. If you had the one in New Orleans,
I'm sure it'll taste better if it was like fresh. Down you go.
all right, y'all. Nicole said it's a no, so I tried.
It don't.
That is so pretty. I love that.
Your blouse is beautiful.
Thank you so much. Nicole, what's your say, period? Let's go look at the tree. Ooh.
Where are we?
I don't know. I don't know what we've discovered. Uh-oh. What? What did we walk into? Perfect timing. What is happening? Hey y'all, welcome to yacht day. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, so let me tell y'all what's happening. So I am in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I am getting a yacht with a few of my friends for New Year's. Today is actual New Year's. Adriana is coming to meet us here. I got Adriana's Christmas card that I have not filled out, and I also have Adriana's gift for Christmas. And Adriana said, let me see where she is. Yeah, we had to rush out the hotel because we had to be out by 12. It is 12:03. We made it out just in time. Okay, Adriana is on her way, so we don't have to rush. Let me see if I can find a pen. So write a little. There go my darn perfume. I like to put on this champagne toast body mist. Just a little something before you put on your real perfume. Make sure y'all spray y'all hair, beauty tip. Okay? I was supposed to be going here for a pen. I know I got a pen in my purse because I said I'm gonna be a real adult and make sure I have pens in here. Adriana will be here 10 minutes. I need to make sure I have her card written out. Here you go. Here come my pen. Okay. I see it, but I can't grip it. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to show y'all. Gabby waving at y'all. But you don't know, y'all can't see her. But I forgot to show y'all, Adriana did get me a gift for Christmas. She got me a Bath and Body Works candle. She got me some lip glosses. Oh, I can wear those today. But they so pretty. They're in the trunk. And I also got a bottle of wine. Because, you know, y'all, we've been wine tasting all over the United States this year. So she got me a bottle of wine too. And I think that's it. She gave me a really, really sweet card. And y'all see, the proof is in the pudding. She has been very active and there for me this year. And I wanted to make sure I got her a gift as well. And I forgot it last time. And look how pretty the card is. It's glitter glittery. So hopefully I can get her on camera. Dang, I'm getting glitter everywhere, but at least it matched my outfit. I don't have on my yacht clothes yet because we have to go run a few errands. We have to be to the yacht at 2 o'clock, but we have to go to Publix and get some snacks for it, and you know, just do it a little run around. But the yacht is only like 20 minutes from the hotel. So I got Adriana's card all right here. Okay, so everybody is, I'm gonna do it like this. How do y'all steal y'all envelopes? Okay. Oh, and y'all, okay, so on my last trip, I don't know if y'all know where the last trip is by now when y'all see this video, but on my last trip, I wanted to use my GoPro. If y'all didn't know, my dad bought me a my mom and dad bought me a GoPro for my birthday, which was in October, and It came with a memory card. Like, they bought the whole set. Like, it came with everything you needed. The tripod, the camera, extra batteries, everything. And it was supposed to come with a memory card, but the memory card was not in there. So when I went to my last trip and I was doing an activity, I wanted that GoPro. I was trying not to say what I did, but I wanted that GoPro so bad, but we could not make it to a store to get a memory card. So last night, after we went to lunch with Nicole, celebrating 10 years of friendship, woohoo! We met when we were in high school. After I went with Nicole to dinner, we went to Target, and Nicole is like, she knows about cameras and all that. I'm pretty good, but Nicole knows like what to ask for. So I took her with me to Target, and she told them what type of memory card I needed, and I have the GoPro. Oh, that's not it. I think it's in the trunk, y'all. Yeah, it's in the trunk. I need to make sure I don't forget it. But I have the GoPro. I have the headpiece. I had a memory card. It is working. It's connected to my phone. So yeah, y'all gonna get GoPro footage on the yacht. So I'm rambling. The next time y'all see me, I should be dressed for the yacht, and we should be on a yacht in Miami, living our best life. Y'all, we made it to the yacht. This is our yacht.
That one to share your everything.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New All right, y'all, we just got off the yacht and we just made it to the Airbnb. I'm gonna give y'all a little toury tour. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Nice, spacious, not super spacious, but you know, I live in New York, so this is very spacious. And it's supposed to be a, ooh, here's a bedroom. Nice. Here is a bathroom. Ooh. With body wash included. And makeup wipes. Ooh, a long hallway. Here is another bedroom. This is nice. This is a good find. Oop, and the king bed with the bathroom. Okay, I'm here for it. I'm probably gonna choose. I might choose this room up here. I'm gonna choose this one because it got a bathroom in it. Right, y'all, here I am. We had so much fun on the yacht. Boy, did we have a lot of fun. And tonight is actual New Year's. We were trying to find fireworks, but the line was crazy. So we just kind of gave up. And we went to Chipotle. Chipotle was closed. So I'm trying to figure out what we're going to have for dinner because I am hungry. I don't know if we have any more plans tonight. We're still working on that aspect. But if we do, I'll add a little pics in there. But if y'all don't see me no more tonight, y'all know that we knocked out. We had a good time on the yacht. I was turning up, living my best life, dancing, just having a good time. So if I go to bed, don't be mad at me. And there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh!
You want to sparkle?
Here we go, y'all. Okay, I don't know. Dang, I need a new one.
It's midnight. Happy
Woo!
That's a good fireworks show.
Oh, shoot! Get me! Woo! Woo!
Hey, bottles, so shake it up. Wow, freak, freak.
Caught me at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the talk about it. No one understands me, no. You're the only one who can fight it. So, darling, I don't really need to lie to you, babe. Patient lover, oh my babe. Oh, you miss my heart, oh darling. Everything I've done, you know. I really never, never